Hi friends, I got this because it's really cute, isn't he? Today, we're going to talk about, as requested, because and so. So let's get started. We use because to give a reason, and we use so to give a result. But we can use both words to express the same idea by flipping around the parts of the sentence. Check this out. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. Or, I didn't sleep well, so I'm tired. We used because and so, but we have the same meaning. We just flipped. Okay? Let's look at another example. I took a taxi because it was raining. Why did I take a taxi? The reason is because it was raining. I took a taxi because it was raining, or it was raining, so I took a taxi. It was raining, and the result, I took a taxi. Okay? Let's do one more example. She passed the test because she studied hard. She passed the test because she studied hard. That's the reason. Because she studied hard. Or you can say, she studied hard, so she passed the test. Okay? Good. So my advice to you is, if you are speaking to English speakers, casual conversation, I think we use more so sentences than because. I don't know why, but usually I make sentences with so. Just remember, if you want to talk about the reason or the result, and that's it. That's the difference between because and so. So, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you!